I will introduce to you an excellent and highly popular biking spot here in Toronto, Canada, the Finch Hydro Corridor. Bakit nga ba tinawag na Finch Hydro Corridor ito? Because the trail itself and the green space run directly parallel to Finch Avenue, which cuts across the northern part of Toronto, specifically through districts like North York and Scarborough. At bakit nga ba ako nagbabike? Wala naman akong dalang bike from the Philippines. Initially, nagla-live kasi ako sa Toronto noon. Nung pumunta ako sa Tim Hortons from my sister's abode, parang nagja-jogging-jogging lang no? At pinapmamasdan ang magagandang tanawin along Steeles Avenue. Then, a fellow Filipino contacted me. Ito nga si Sir Gino. At pinakilala niya ako kay Sir Percy, who generously lent me a bike. Sinundo nila ako sa condo along Steeles Avenue West, and the rest is history. I fell in love with biking around Toronto with a strict 20 km per hour speed limit in effect. Especially dito sa Finch Hydro Corridor, which features a dedicated multi-use asphalt trail running east to west across the northern part of the city, right underneath the massive hydro transmission towers. And yes, it also leads to a legendary steep valley drop-off and climb near the East Don River. Alright, the maple tree. Alright, ito po yung mga kasamahan ko dito, ano? A scenic spot dito sa ating tinatahak na 15 km, connected to sa Finch Hydro Trail. Hello sir. This specific section of the trail system is famous for its autumn salmon run, which peaks every year around October and November. During this time, you can stand right by those large rocks and watch the Chinook salmon battling their way upstream. Meron daw dito salmon rush every November, tama ba sir?
Yes, sir.
Every November, yeah. Of course, introduce mo na sir, introduce. Sir Gino, yan. Very knowledgeable since 1974 pa yan dito sa Canada, 9 years old siya. Hindi na natin do the math kung 9 years old siya, 1974 siya nandito sa Canada, no? So here we go, Sir Percy. Yan. Sir Percy.
Yep.
Ilan taon na sa Canada? Close to 5. Close to 5 years. And Mr.
Janet Calaraman.
Ilan taon na sa Canada?
2 taon pa, sir.
Pero galing sa anong probinsya?
Mindanao.
By the way, si Sir ay from Nueva Vizcaya, no? Kay Carlo Geb. And then si Sir?
I don't know.
I don't know. Forgotten. Tuyang, oo. Kay Sir, taga saan?
Bigan.
Ayan, Bicos, Ilocos Sur nga pala.
9 years na sa Canada.
9 years, wow! Ilan taon na, Sir?
28.
So ito sinabi ng ating mga kasamahan dito na 9 years na, every October merong every November merong salmon rush. Okay.
Honda Pilipinas 2020. Bunganga or po si Dwayne Badwa.